Hey there! Thanks for watching this Mapbox how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use any Mapbox custom map style in Tableau to make your map look exactly the way that you want. So here's where we're going to end up. It's just a slightly different style, but here's where we'll begin in Tableau. Just a basic map that I created using the Superstore dataset. I changed the circles to orange, but I haven't made any other changes. So let's add a Mapbox style. I'm going to click Map, Background Maps, Map Services, and then here I'm going to click Add Mapbox Maps, and it's asking for a style name and a URL. So let's go to Mapbox and get a style. So here at mapbox.com/studio, I've got a number of styles already in my account, but I'll show you how to start from scratch. We'll pick a template, and here we'll start with dark. And it opens up in Studio. Looks good. Cool. We don't have any changes to make, so we'll just click back. And you can see it's been added to our account. Here I'm going to click Share and Add, Share and Use, and I'm going to make this style public. Okay. Click Use, Third Party, Tableau, and there's the integration URL that we need. Let's copy it and go back to Tableau. And here we'll call this style dark, and then I'll paste the URL that we copied, and that fills in the rest of the form. Cool. Hey, looks good. So that was starting from a template. Let's change the style again. I'm going to click Maps, Background Maps, Map Services, and here I'm going to click Add Mapbox Maps, and let's go back to Mapbox. This time, instead of using dark, I created this version of the same style. I just changed the color of the water. So let's use this one. I click Share and Use, make this one public, click Use, Third Party, Tableau, and I'll copy this integration URL. Back in Tableau, I'll say dark with teal water, paste it, and click OK. And there you have it. So that's how you use a Mapbox custom map style in Tableau. And thanks for using Mapbox. Keep building.